G'day, it's Phil from PT Precision here again. Got a 2011 Ford Transit van. It's the east-west engine, the 2.2 turbo diesel. This one, poor bloke's just bought it 2 weeks ago, and the car stopped on him. So looks like it snapped the timing chain. Yeah, the guy who sold it to him fucking knew what was wrong, because he had it at a Ford dealer. We found all this old servicing history on it anyway. It's all gone a bit pear-shaped for that guy. So I've said, you know, head off, timing chain, but it looks like, since we've got the rocker cover off, we've got the injectors out and stuff, looks like the rocker gear is okay. So what we're going to do is strip the front down. So 9 times out of 10, these will be okay. Not to bend valves when the timing chain snaps, that is. So you need special tools to lock everything up with on the timing chain. But what we're going to do is pull the front off, have a look. We might just get a timing chain kit and we might just assemble that, and I might do a compression test just to make sure before we keep going. It has previously, because I don't know the car running, but previously it's had oil in the cooling system. These hoses are all like, they're all floppy, yeah? They're all screwed. So for safety, I need to replace all those cooling system hoses as well, because after I do the head, if one of these blows, it'll just burn the motor anyway. So the cooling system has had oil in it, but it's been, you can see it's actually been cleaned out of there before. So I'd say an oil cooler or something's blown it before. Bit of a problem. We don't know this car, so I don't even know if it starts. I don't know. Well, obviously running. It's had new fuel filters put on it, which is good, and looks like the fuel housing being put on it as well, which is great. That's a problem that they have. So anyway, and you guys love these transits. I don't mind them, but anyway, we'll see what happens. Yeah. Someone's had this motor apart. You filming that? Someone's had the motor apart. There's fucking glue everywhere. It was glue. So found the problem. Whoever found the problem. So there's the pin snap out of the chain. Yeah. So it's just broken out of the link. But more importantly, here's the reason. The links are seized. Yeah. There's a fuel on it. Yeah. Just old age. Well, old age. I don't know. I can't even move it apart. Ah, it's fucked. Oh, that one moved. I think it's free. No good. Anyway, worn out, but someone has been in here. There's got plenty of glue. What does it look like? There's heaps of it. Massive amount of glue in there. Anyway, new sprockets, new guides, new chains, oil pump chain down there as well, which we'll do. Did a lot. Do a compression test and see if she bloody runs from there. I haven't filmed a lot on this transit van. I've got other stuff going on, but the timing chains, so we've done all the timing chains. We've had to remove the engine sump because we're doing the oil pump chain and guides and stuff like that as well. So engine sump off, drop the oil pump out, clean the pickup, chain, guides, everything back on, engine sump back on, and then new new chains, guides, all the locking tools for the crankshaft, camshaft, put the chain on, let the tensioner go, and then lock the bolts up on the cam gears. So that's all good. So it made sure that that was all in the rock and all that sort of stuff. So it's all brand new stuff. It's all Ford genuine gear as well. But doing the timing cover off, because I just didn't know about the valves being hit or not. I have put a bore scope down in there and I've had a look at the valves. They all look pretty neat. So we're just doing a compression test. We've actually got good compression on those ones. Which one's this? Number 3. So we're just doing these. Yeah, go for it, mate. Right, so that's, what's that, 320. So that's all right. know about all this oil. What the fuck's going on with all this oil?
The rocker cover's open.
Oh, rocker cover, yeah, right. Yeah, sorry. Didn't think of that. So anyway, so it's all looking okay. So, and that's compression coming up. So yeah, so it looks like it's going to be alright, yeah? So I continue putting it back together, yeah? Just quickly add to that, like this compression test, it's a very quick, rough compression test. I'm not seating them all down real well, like, you know, the other one's got 400, so I think we'll get that. But, you know, I'm just doing a quick compression test. The guy's lucking out, yeah? I think it's going to be fine. Yeah. Okay, so we've got the Transit 2.2 litre all back together. Starts and runs, goes really well, like just idling, sitting there. Up top, it sort of runs out a bit of a power, like from 3,000 RPM onwards. But we did service these injectors. We've noted the injectors aren't much good, and rightly so. Injectors are compensating, but they've come good now on idle. But these number 3 was up at 9, number 2 was up at 5, number 4 was at -4. So they're all over the shop, yeah. But as it warms up, it gets better. But these injectors are no good, yeah. Like the rest of the job, great. I'd put a suction control valve on it, and I'd put a set of injectors on it. But that's going to add quite a few $1,000s to the bill. I will talk to this guy and see what he wants to do. But that's the job. Sorry I haven't filmed it a hell of a lot. Been quite busy in the workshop, but it's good. It's quite nice. Nice smooth, new covers, new belts, new everything. Yeah, it's great. Quite a reasonably priced job. Yeah, okay. Yeah, just wanted to film this one at the end because this one's the head and the timing chain. Not the head, but the timing chain, all that sort of stuff. So the guy wanted to do the injectors because I told him it lacked a bit of power, but those compensation was out, and we'd serviced these injectors because we got the new tools for servicing. We could see that they were out, and it was. So brand new set of injectors into this thing. But this thing would rev up and it sort of get to 4,000 RPM, but struggled a bit, but it was still good, it was still driving. But this thing is fucking amazing now, but it's bloody highway patrol down the fucking end of the road. But this thing, you put your foot down and that goes like 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, that thing just flies, you know? We got the bloody cops down the road down here now. But this thing has got excellent pull on it now, so the rev range is still there, that, you know, up to 4,500 if you really want to push it to that far.
Oh, that's dangerous.
But yeah, he's in a bloody SR2. Fucking cunt. But look at that, that is really good pull. Like that really good pull. Yeah? That even didn't get up there. That's pulling the whole way through that rev range at 2 to 4,000 RPM, doing extremely well. So I wanted to video this new set of injectors, and all the compensations is right in it. The rev range is right. The diesel injectors works all the way through with the, you know, the common rail. I've got another car that's given me heaps of problems in a diesel because it won't spool up. Yeah, this thing was filled with petrol. Fucking snapped the glow plug off in the head. It's a V-dub, mate. It's a massive one. I'm chasing problem with no power. The thing starts and idles and will just drive on the flat but no power. I've got those injectors away because I can't service them because they're a pump type injector, but I reckon I might save that. So this is amazing. Like, it's 2.5, 3. Fucking now I've got a motorbike guy. It's alright. Not too dangerous around here. Anyway, it's good. New set of injectors make a world of difference to an engine. Yeah?